Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix. One moment, the agent is currently loading in Antigravity. You open a page, everything looks fine, and it just sits there saying the agent loading and an anti-gravity. Not exactly helpful, right? At that point, I usually assume something on my side is slowing things down. The first thing I try is a hard refresh. Just forcing the page to reload properly can sometimes fix it instantly. If that doesn't work, I check my browser extensions. Some of them love interfering at the worst possible time, so disabling them even temporarily can make a noticeable difference. Next, I head into my browser settings and clear cache and cookies because outdated data can quietly break things without warning. If it's still stuck, opening the page in incognito mode is a quick way to retest it if something in the background is causing issues. And if I'm really stuck, switching browsers or restarting my internet usually does the trick. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off. This error loves unstable connections. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.